To speed up your laptop, you can follow these steps. 1. Remove unnecessary programs. Uninstall programs you no longer use. Go to Control Panel greater than Programs greater than uninstall a program and remove unwanted software. 2. Disable startup programs. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable unnecessary startup programs. 3. Update your operating system and drivers. Keep your operating system and drivers updated to ensure optimal performance. 4. Clean up disk space. Use Disk Cleanup to delete temporary files and system files. Go to this PC greater than, right-click on the drive greater than, Properties greater than Disk Cleanup. 5. Increase RAM. If your laptop supports it, consider adding more RAM. 6. Use an SSD. Replacing your hard drive with a solid-state drive (SSD) can significantly improve speed. 7. Scan for malware. Run a full scan with a trusted antivirus program to remove any malware or viruses. 8. Adjust power settings. Set your laptop to high-performance mode in power options for better speed. 9. Clear browser cache. Regularly clear your browser cache to improve internet speed. 10. Disable visual effects. Reduce visual effects by going to System Properties greater than Advanced greater than Performance settings, and selecting Adjust for best performance. 11. Defragment your hard drive. Regularly defragment your hard drive if you use an HDD, not necessary for SSD. 12. Use lightweight software. Opt for lightweight alternatives for heavy software, like using a text editor instead of a full Office suite for simple tasks. 13. Check for Windows bloatware. Remove any pre-installed apps or bloatware that came with your laptop. Following these steps should help improve your laptop's speed and performance. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Play Technical for more tech